Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download free games on Nintendo Switch 2. To download the free games, just go to Nintendo eShop, which you can find here on the home screen, then select the account you want to proceed with. Now it asks me to log in with a Nintendo account, so all I need to do is scan the code with my camera. Then let's enter the password. And now I'm confirmed, so it'll log me right in. And let's find a free game. So you can just go to search, for example, and find different games. Let's see if there's a section for free games. Let's select price range, free download, search. And here are all the games that are free download. But I saw one on the home screen of like the Nintendo eShop, so I'm gonna get that because it's quite interesting. The Nintendo GameCube Classics, and it says it's free download, which is quite interesting. Let's click on free download. Now click on free download. And it's getting downloaded. I'm gonna go to the home menu to see how it's getting downloaded. You can see it's in the process right now, and when it's finished, then I'll see that I can open it. And I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.